Hello folks, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox 360 controller to your Mac computer using the Xbox 360 receiver by Microsoft. The first thing that you're going to need to do is have your 360 controller ready. Make sure it has some batteries in it. Make sure that the batteries have enough juice to last you out throughout your game session. If your controller goes dead in mid-game, might not be the most pleasurable experiences. Next up, you want to make sure that your wireless 360 receiver is still fine. Make sure there's really no wires or anything hanging out of it. You just want to make sure it's in working order. The next thing that you want to do is plug the USB end of the receiver into the port that's on the Mac. It can be either port, really doesn't matter, as long as when you stick it in, it turns green. Next, the 360 controller. So the light is green on the receiver. You want to hit the button on the controller, the middle X button, and it should light up. If for whatever reason it's not connected or whatever, you can always hit the scan button that's on the top of the receiver right here. Once you hit that scan button, it sends a signal out that scans for other 360 controllers that may be in the area. So what you want to do is hit the scan button that's on the top of the receiver and also the scan button that's on the top of the 360 controller. You should see it do a little scan animation such as that. So it's scanning now. I'm going to hit the scan button that's on the top of the Xbox 360 receiver. And you can see we just got paired up. Alright, so once you get that business out the way, you got the 360 controller, it's paired up to the Mac. Now you want to play some games. But first, there's still an extra step that you still have to get through in order to get your controller to fully work with this Mac. So let's load up the emulator that we want to play. Alright, so we got the emulator open. Now we want to head over to config, where we're going to configure some controllers. So from here, you just want to hit player 1 and start deciphering which button goes for which direction. So now we're going to hit up for up, hit left for left, hit down for down, hit right for right, and all the rest. As follows. Once you finish those up, exit out and find yourself a game to load up to test the controller. Make sure it works.